Storytelling, perfect insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Are you okay? Are you alright? Why people suddenly become emotional detectives? 1. The silent comrade mode. Usually talks nonstop, suddenly quieter than airplane mode. People ask because silence from a normally energetic person feels unusual. 2. Walking into a door. Confidence level 100. Door awareness level 0. Comrades check on you after accidental comedy moments. 3. Staring at food like philosopher. You've been looking at one slice of pizza for 5 minutes. People wonder if you're hungry, tired, or calculating pizza geometry. 4. Sending K in chat. One single letter can scare the group chat. Short replies sometimes make people think something is wrong. 5. Laughing alone at old memories. You suddenly laugh in public without no explanation. Others may ask if you're okay or if you unlock a security code. 6. Carrying too many grocery bags. One trip only. No surrender. People check if you need help before your arms resign from duty. 7. Falling asleep during a movie. The movie was exciting, your nap was stronger. Comrades ask if you're tired or just extremely comfortable. 8. Looking lost in a mall. You entered confidently and exited near the parking lot. People ask because everyone has experienced navigation failure. 9. Dancing while wearing earphone. You hear music, everyone else hears silence. Your surprise dance moves that's confuse innocent bystanders. 10. Typing password incorrectly 12 times and the keyboard starts judging your life decisions. Frustration becomes visible very quickly. 11. Talking to yourself in public, practicing speeches or arguing with the imaginary dragon. People may ask out of curiosity and concern. 12. Wearing clothes inside out, a fashion trend nobody worried about. Comrades ask to help before people notice. 13. Spilling water dramatically. One tiny spills become a disaster movie scene. Everyone suddenly becomes a part of the cleanup team. 14. Watching tutorials for simple things. How to boil eggs. Step 1, panic. People ask because overthinking every day takes look stressful. Sometimes Are You Okay is about care, friendship, and checking in on people. And sometimes it's because life creates hilarious moments